Hello everyone, welcome to the FAQ live session on Paytm. Today we have our own in-house expert, Ms. Priyanka. She will tell us about how to become a seller on Paytm Mall. Hello Priyanka.
Hi Priya, thanks for having me here.
Okay, so my first question is Paytm पर sign up करने के लिए seller को क्या करना होगा?
Yes, so when we talk about the sign up process, actually it's very easy. So what our business owners has to do is they have to come to our website, which is seller panel. They can simply type in the URL seller.paytm.com या फिर वो सर्च मार सकते हैं sell on Paytm and they will reach our website. वहाँ पर there is a very quick short form actually mentioning their name, email ID and mobile number. जो email ID and mobile number होगा it should be the same जहाँ से वो चाहते हैं कि Paytm उनको contact करे या जिससे वो contact करना चाहेंगे Paytm को and they have to accept the terms and conditions. So once they do it, they will receive an email from Paytm. They have to verify it and verify the mobile number. जैसे ही उनका mobile number verify होगा, they will reach our seller panel and the further documentation process जो होगी वो आगे initiate होगी.
Okay, so what are the documents required for the process?
Yes, so the documents are actually very basic. We need, in general, we ask for 4 documents. One is the PAN card, the cancel check, bank address and the warehouse address proof and the company address proof. So ये जो documents होते हैं that has to be on the company name and actually it depends also कि अगर आपका जो business है that is not registered then you can also give it on your name and you can submit to us.
Okay, so these 4 things are mandatory.
Yes, these are mandatory documents.
Okay, and how does Paytm help me in the documentation process?
Yes, so during the documentation अगर sellers को so there can be 2 kinds of queries. In the first query अगर seller को लगता है कि what are the documents, अगर documents जो उन्होंने देने हैं what should be those documents, क्या document मैं दे सकता हूँ या नहीं दे सकता हूँ. So in any of these queries they can directly reach out to us through support tab on panel and they can also यहाँ पर जब वो अपनी query raise करेंगे our team will contact them. And in any case अगर कोई और भी issue होता है our team can also get in touch with them directly जहाँ पर वो query हमें raise कर सकती हैं. So ये जो support tab है and even they can choose the option, the mode in which they can want to raise their query. If they want to talk to our experts they can tell that they need a call to be done. और अगर उनको चाहिए कि हाँ उनकी mail पे query raise हो, mail पे उनका query resolve हो, then they can do the same.
Okay Priyanka, so how long is this process and when can I start selling my products on Paytm?
Actually this is a very quick process. So जैसे ही sellers हमें अपने documents देंगे, there is a team which sits there. They will review the documents and within 24 hours they can go live with us.
Okay, so this is a very good thing.
Yes, thank you.
So whom do I contact in case of मेरी कोई queries हैं या sellers की कोई queries हैं तो हम किससे contact करेंगे?
Yes, so we have multi channels. One is the support tab. किसी भी टाइम पे अगर हमारे सेलर को लगता है कि they need more information और उनको कोई भी issue आता है regarding the entire process, they can go to the support tab and they can raise their query. And secondly, we also assign them a buddy, a expert who can assist them through the entire process. जो उनको regarding कोई भी अगर issue होता है from the documentation till they get their first sale, they can always get in touch with them.
Okay, so team का कोई contact number भी होता होगा जिससे हमारे seller call करके अपनी queries पूछ सकते हैं?
Yes, so जैसे ही हमारे sellers हमारे साथ sign up करेंगे, their expert will contact them and then they will exchange their number and they will tell them the email ID on which they can always contact.
Okay, so while in documentation process अगर मुझे कोई difficulties आती हैं तो हमें किससे contact करना होगा?
Yes, so actually we have multi channels for our sellers. जहाँ पे जिसके थ्रू हमारे sellers हमें contact कर सकते हैं and they can raise their queries. The one comes during the sign up process. अगर sign up के टाइम पे उनको मोबाइल email verification और the agreement के regarding कुछ भी issues होते हैं, they can go simply they can raise their query through a link given जो website पर है and they can raise their query. Second comes जब वो हमारे panel पे हैं, अगर उनको documentation के regarding या आगे process के regarding कुछ भी issues होते हैं, they can always raise their query through support tab. So वहाँ पर जाके they can pick the kind of query they want to ask us, whether it's regarding the registration status कि उनका क्या status है और डॉक्यूमेंट्स के रिगार्डिंग हो या फिर आगे किसी भी इशू के रिगार्डिंग उनको कोई भी क्वेरी रेज करनी है, दे कैन गो ओवर देयर, दे कैन चूज द काइंड ऑफ क्वेरी दे वांट टू रेज एंड दे कैन ऑल्सो चूज द मोड कि उनको कॉल चाहिए या फिर उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन है ओवर द मेल उनको क्वेरी रिजॉल्व करवानी है, एंड देन दे कैन रेज इट. हमारी टीम, देयर इज अ एंटायर टीम विच सिट्स देयर जो इन क्वेरीज, सेलर्स की क्वेरीज पे इनको सॉल्व करती हैं, एंड विद इन 3 to 4 hours दे विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू द क्वेरी एंड दे विल ट्राई टू रिजॉल्व इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल.
So 3 to 4 hours is the time line कि उसमें queries resolve हो जाएगी.
Yes, 3 to 4 hours is the time in which we will contact them and we will try to resolve it.
Okay.
So अगर इस टाइम पे अगर उनको लगता है कि जो सेलर ने इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है वो इनकम्प्लीट है, they need more information, they will contact the seller, they will ask for the relevant like the kind of information कि आपको exactly आपकी क्या query है. If the information is incomplete, they will ask for more information and they will try to resolve it.
Okay. So Priyanka, after all this documentation process, what kind of products can I sell?
Yes, so actually we have a lot of vast varied products that any seller can sell with us. We generally deal in 10 to 12 major categories, which are like electronics, fashion, and your home and kitchen regarding products. So our sellers can sell in any of these categories. Even if they want to see in detail the kind of products that they can sell in these categories, they can simply go to our Paytm website, paytm.com. They can go in the menu and they can see कि हर category में what are the sub categories and the kind of products which they can sell. And they can see कि उनके products where those products they can register or they can list. And in this entire process, अगर sellers को किसी भी level पे लगता है that the kind of products that they are offering वो अभी हमारे साथ नहीं है and they cannot see their suitable category, so they can anytime they can contact us, they can come to us, they can tell us कि these are my products where I can list and we will try to find a solution for them.
Okay. So my next question is regarding the region. Is there any specific geographical regions जहाँ पे ही मैं अपने product sell कर सकती हूँ?
Actually, this is the best part about selling online. Because it doesn't limit you in particular city or a state, and with Paytm having its customers across India, it gives you a platform कि आप उन सारे customers को reach out करो and you can sell them. So irrespective आपका physical store है क्या नहीं है, और अगर आपका physical store एक particular city, एक location, local area में है, doesn't matter, because जो आप product sell करोगे that will be pan India, because जो आपकी listing होगी वो हमारे customers across India they will see it and they will offer, they will purchase it. So you are actually targeting the pan India customers.
Okay, Priyanka. So we covered the basic questions about the documentation and process. So what about the sign up and after the sign up process?
Right. So once the seller is live with us, they can start creating, they can start listing the products that they want to sell, which is the catalog. So वो अपना catalog हमारे साथ list कर सकते हैं, वो upload करेंगे. And also regarding the panel, अगर से हमारे sellers को लगता है they want more information and they want to see कि क्या products वो हमारे साथ क्या seller panel पे how they can use it, how they can use to increase their sales or do their cataloging, then they can, we have a training team which sits there. We can tell them कि how to use the panel and how they can use what are the different tabs जो वहाँ पर हैं, and they will help them.
Okay, and how does Paytm help me to set up my products and my brand?
Yes, so in case of products, one is the listing, which is very important. अब अपना we have a set of guidelines जिसके यूज़ करके हमारे सेलर्स अपना कैटलॉग क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड इस पूरे प्रोसेस में अगर उनको लगता है they do not know the process how to list, so we have a team which sits there who can train them how to create the catalog and they can help them even in creating a good catalog for them. अगर उनको लगता है कि जो उनको अपने कैटलॉग के लिए उनको फोटो शूट चाहिए या फिर डिस्क्रिप्शन, दे वांट मोर हेल्प इनटू दैट, सो इवन वी हैव आवर partners which are across India who can help them at their location, उनको create करने में catalog, उनको वो photographs achieve करने में, so that they can have a perfect catalog which can be listed on our Paytm.
Okay, and how does long it take for my catalog to go live?
So once they have given us the catalog, it takes around 2 to 3 days for us to review it and make it live.
Okay, 2 to 3 days is the timeline.
Yes, so it's generally very less. So in general, in maximum 2 to 3 days, their catalog will be live and they can start selling with us.
Okay. So the most important question is, how does Paytm help me get sales?
Yes. So one, as I told you, having a good catalog is very important. आपने क्या कैटलॉग में आप अपने प्रोडक्ट्स दिखा रहे हो, व्हाट इज विजिबल टू आवर कस्टमर्स, इट मेक्स द मोस्ट लाइक द मच ग्रेटर इम्पैक्ट, बिकॉज दैट्स द वे आप अपने कस्टमर्स को दिखा रहे हो कि आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या है, जो आप लिख रहे हो वो डिस्क्रिप्शन, दैट इज द थिंग विच अट्रैक्ट्स योर कस्टमर्स एंड द काइंड ऑफ pictures, the photographs that you have of your product. So one is having a good catalog, making it more descriptive, having more photographs to make it more easy for a customer to understand your product. And second is that we do have promotions for our sellers. So we run different promotions across categories, जिसमें हमारे sellers participate कर सकते हैं. They can see the kind of products they want to promote through these promotions, which will help them again in having a better visibility to our customers and having sales.
Okay, Priyanka. So what are the different kind of service assistance we can get from Paytm?
Yes, so like we talked about different in-house services that we have, which are regarding the training, the catalog, and even we have regarding the logistics. अगर seller को लगता है they want help in the logistics services. So one is the internal services that we provide, and then we have our partners. We have tied up with partners across country which can help them to probably list their catalog, to get, if they want help with the documentation, we can help them, or promotions. There is also even we provide services to our sellers regarding the loans. So if they need any loan, we also assist them in getting a loan.
Okay, so thanks Priyanka, thanks you for such information. इसके अलावा और कुछ है जो आप हमारे सेलर्स को बताना चाहेंगे, कोई और इन्फॉर्मेशन?
Yes, Priya. So, like we talked about the entire onboarding process, how it is, how much time it takes, how quick a seller can get on board. I just want to highlight the key steps that we have in the entire onboarding process. So, one is the sign-up process that we talked about. जहाँ पर seller हमें अपनी information देता है regarding the name, email ID, mobile number, and they sign up, and they accept the terms and conditions. The second being verifying their email ID and mobile number. So जैसे ही उन्होंने email ID and mobile number अपना verify किया, they reach our panel. जहाँ पे so once they reach our panel, they will see set of information that they have to fill and the set of documents that are required. So this is into 3 sets actually. One is the business information, second the finance information, and the warehouse information. So in the business information, we ask seller about the kind of company he has, like the type of company, the registered company name, and the address proof that he will have. So this majorly depends on कि हमारा जो seller है, whether he is a sole proprietor or his company is a registered. It can be a public or private limited company, and he mentions that over there and he submits the document. जो हमारी जो documentation है, that depends on the kind of business, the kind of company he is having. For example, अगर आपकी company registered है, then we will need all the documents on the registered company name. अगर आपकी company registered नहीं है, you have a small shop, then in that case you can provide the documents on your name. So the business information, which is the company related information that we ask. The second being the finance information, in which majorly there are 2 things that we ask. One is the PAN and the PAN details. So they fill in the information, we upload the document. And third being the warehouse information, which is the warehouse that they have. Iske regarding, we ask them for the VAT certificate and the CST certificate, which are required. In case agar they deal in some VAT exempted categories जहाँ पे VAT CST नहीं required है, so in that case they can always give us the warehouse address proof, which can be their any government proof for their address, and they can submit that. So यहाँ पर they fill in the 3 important information: business, warehouse, and the finance information. And warehouse के case में, if they need any help with the logistics, we have our logistics team which can help them. So depending on the kind of information, the address that they have filled, we will see whether we can provide the logistics services. We will help them, and we will see if we can provide the logistics services to them. So जैसे ही वो ये सारी information हमें provide करते हैं, their account, all this information comes to our team, जहाँ पे further हम review करके and they will be live.
Okay, so business and financial and warehouse information, these are the crucial information for becoming a seller on.
Yes. So generally, because why reason being I'm emphasizing on the information that I'm filling, because this is very important. Even we try to achieve that our seller gets on board in the shortest time. So if they're giving us the correct documents, if they're filling the correct information, it gets easy for us as well to verify it, to validate it and get them on board. Because एक बार अगर कुछ भी information गलत होती है, then we check it, we review it, then we get back to the seller and then they change it. So then it gets into a loop, which we do not want, and we want it within one go their account should be created and they should be live. So we are just trying to reduce this time as soon as possible. Like this should be the shortest time.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thanks a lot.
Paytm karo.